Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding where the QR is generated and why it exists. Check the router admin page and any phone or kiosk that created the code. You need admin credentials to change settings. Once located, note the SSID, password scheme, and security type so you can restore service if needed. Make sure you have physical access to the router or the account login details. Without them, you can't stop sharing. Now log into the management interface and proceed to the sharing controls. Next, focus on the middle steps. Disable any guest network or QR export feature in the router's interface because QR codes often mirror guest settings. If a phone or web app created the code, uninstall or revoke its access and delete stored QR files. Change the router admin password and enable two-factor authentication where possible to prevent recreation. Once done, verify no new QR is generated by attempting to create one. If it still appears, continue to lock down services and connected accounts. Finish by confirming the QR code no longer grants access. Scan it with an untrusted phone and ensure it fails to connect or shows no credentials. If the QR still works, reboot the router, delete saved Wi-Fi profiles on test devices, and clear any cloud-synced settings that might reapply the QR. Make sure you communicate the new manual connection method to legitimate users. If problems continue, reset the router to factory defaults and reconfigure securely. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.